The spiritual meaning of disease suggests that physical ailments can be reflections of underlying spiritual and emotional imbalances. According to this perspective, various illnesses are believed to have connections to specific spiritual and emotional states. These connections imply that our bodies communicate messages to us through disease, urging us to examine and address the deeper issues affecting our well-being. It is important to note that the spiritual meaning of disease is not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. Rather, it offers an additional lens through which to understand the potential root causes of illness. By exploring the possible spiritual and emotional aspects associated with specific ailments, individuals may gain insights into their own lives and embark on a holistic healing journey. Acne, refusing to like and accept yourself as you are. Addictions, lack of self-love and avoiding to face your own fears. AIDS, guilt related to sex and/or sexuality. Alcoholism, inability to accept yourself and/or your circumstances. Allergies, you or someone else is getting in between you and your own self-power. Alzheimer's disease, refusing to living in your own shoes. Anorexia, afraid of being rejected and lack of self-love. Anxiety, refusing to live in the present. Arthritis, lack of self-love and self-acceptance. Back pain, upper yearning for understanding. Back pain, middle overpowered by guilt. Back pain, lower financially unstable. Baldness, lack of trust in life and wanting to feel in control of every single aspect of your life. Blackheads, anger outbursts. Blood pressure, low, embracing a negative attitude to life. Blood pressure, high accumulation of emotional problems. Bone problems, rebellion towards authority. Bowel irregularities, not wanting to let go and or feeling stuck in a particular situation. Breast problems, left, refusing to taking care and loving yourself. Breast problems, right, overprotection and inability to love someone. Breathing issues, feeling unable to handle life. Bronchitis, bad family environment. Bruises, a punishing attitude to oneself. Bulimia, hating oneself. Burns, unbearable anger. Cancer, extreme hurt and/or grief possibly related to past experienced issues. Cholesterol, inability to experiencing joy in life. Circulation, blood, feeling stuck and/or lacking ideas and positive emotions. Colds, unable to handle too many things and/or issues. Cough, feeling a deep need to make a point. Depression, feeling hopeless. Diabetes, yearning for something which is no more in your life. Diarrhea, running away from someone and/or something. Dizziness, being ungrounded and/or lack of focus. Ear issues, unwilling to hear. Elbow issues, not wanting to accept recent changes. Eye cataracts, unable to look eagerly towards the future. Eye issues in children, closing their eyes to current family problems. Fainting, not wanting to cope with current situation. Feet issues, not wanting to move forward. Feminine issues, conflict with feminine aspects of yourself. Fever, anger. Fibroids, feminine ego being hurt by partner. Finger issues, thumb feeling controlled and are always worrying. Finger issues, index going against authority and/or guardian/parent. Flu, too much negativity. Gas, hidden concerns. Gray hair, stress. Gum issues, unable to make one's mind on important life issues. Hand issues, unable to handle things that should be dealt with. Headache, criticizing oneself. Heart attack, focusing on material aspects in life while enjoying nothing in the process. Heartburn, being devoured by fear and feeling unable to go with life's flow. Heart issues, dealing with life issues through anger. Hemorrhoids, not wanting to move on. Hip issues, feeling unable to take important decisions. Impotence, anger bottled up towards a past partner and/or harnessing sexual guilt. Indigestion, anxiety related to a recent/current/upcoming event. Infection, anger and/or irritation about a particular situation. Jaundice, feeling or being prejudiced. Kidney issues, bottled up anger that hasn't been dealt with. Knee issues, unable to be flexible with own ideas. Leg issues, not wanting to move forward. Leukemia, lack of excitement in life. Liver issues, resisting change. Lung issues, fearing life and feeling unworthy. Menopausal issues, feeling unwanted. Migraine, fears related to sex and/or letting someone into your life, all the while feeling pressured by someone. Nausea, rejecting something. Neck issues, refusing to see another's point of view. Overweight, needing emotional support and protection due to insecurity. Pain, guilt. PMS, rejecting feminine aspects within yourself. Prostate issues, sexual guilt and/or pressure. Seizures, wanting to run away from life. Shoulder issues, carrying others' issues onto you. Sinus, feeling irritable towards someone in particular. Skin issues, feeling threatened by someone. Slip disc, feeling lack of support from those around you. Sore throat, inability to express your true feelings about something/someone. Snoring, feeling unable to move on from old patterns. Stomach issues, feeling malnourished. Stroke, not being allowed to deal with own emotions. Teeth issues, unable to think through important decisions. Thyroid issues, feeling humiliated and/or repressed. Tumors, drowning in remorse. Ulcers, feeling you are not good enough. Urinary issues, anger usually towards someone of the opposite sex. Varicose veins, being in a hateful/uncomfortable situation. In conclusion, the spiritual meaning of disease suggests that there is a profound interconnectedness between our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Understanding the potential spiritual and emotional aspects underlying specific ailments can empower individuals to delve into their own personal growth, self-reflection, and healing processes. However, it is crucial to approach these interpretations with an open mind and seek appropriate medical attention when necessary. By embracing a holistic approach to health, we can strive for balance and harmony in all aspects of our being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure into the spiritual realm of disease. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, embrace your journey of self-discovery, and may your path be filled with healing and wholeness.